everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Hopefully my microphone audio is good. I messed up that with the previous video, but hopefully I have it all situated. So guys, I'm going to show you how to use any headset, 3.5 specific, 3.5 millimeter specific on your Xbox One. Super easy tutorial. Hopefully this guy's is very helpful to you. And before I get into the tutorial and everything, I just want to give a quick shout out to Life Made Easy Podcast. Guys, we've been posting a ton over there. Got a new episode going up literally today. So go over there, subscribe. I'll be doing shout outs to everyone who goes over there and subscribes to it. So now without further ado, let's hop in to the video. Okay, so guys, this is going to be one of the easiest tutorials I've probably ever made. And it's so easy to actually do this. And I actually love that Xbox makes this adapter. However, PS4 does have this built into the controller, which is like kind of a plus on their part, but the adapter is not very expensive. I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. Also, shout out to merchandise, Life Made Easy. Go check it out, links below. You can go pick up some Life Made Easy merchandise if you're interested, or you can become a channel member right next to that subscribe button, hit join, help support the channel. Or you can check out Amazon affiliate link down below, whatever. Probably want me to stop rambling at this point, but so guys, this is the adapter itself. Hopefully this is pretty sharp and you guys can see that. Focus. So on here we have volume up, down, we have a mute button, we have a game chat volume increaser, and then a party chat volume increaser. It's kind of like a mixer between what you want prioritized. Basically, do you want your game audio prioritized, or do you want your party chat audio prioritized? So it's up to you. You can adjust it however you want. But guys, this adapter, and I'll link it below. I think it's on Amazon. They still have it, but it fits directly into the Xbox One controller on the bottom here. It's a proprietary port, sadly, so you have to buy Microsoft's. Or there might be third-party brands that make this. I think there are, like Astro makes one. But the newer Xbox One controllers already come with a 3.5 millimeter audio input jack, which is nice. But if you don't have it like me and you have the old Xbox controller, you're gonna have to purchase this. So the great thing about this is it's universal. You can literally use any type of earbuds you want. I'll show you right here. These are some that a company sent me. I think they were called the Lumen. Let me check. Oh no, Ludos. Ludos sent me out these. Nice green color to match the channel colors. It's so easy. You just plug this in here, and now, I mean, granted, it depends on if you have a microphone or not, and you can use that with party chat, but this one does, and you can use this with party chat. And so all the game audio goes into my console through here. Don't have to buy any speakers for your console now. Everything works great. So yeah, got the mic right here on it. I can use this in party chat whenever I want, or I can mute it on here if I don't want to have my microphone play. I can just mute it on the adapter itself. I don't know if the standard or the newer Xbox One controllers have that ability to mute your mic that easily. Might have to do it through settings or something like that. But yeah, this also works for even Apple earbuds. Now, the annoying thing about Apple is, and this, I could do a whole rant on this, you can't actually use the microphone if you're using Apple earbuds. It's kind of a pain, but so as you can see, these are the standard Apple earbuds that come with every iPhone, or at least older iPhones. So these are the traditional Apple earbuds. They have the volume up, down, and then the click to play, pause your music. And then the microphone is right here, which you can speak into. Sadly, this doesn't work on Xbox. You can only use the audio, which is fine. The audio is good. Audio is definitely, like, obviously it's not as good as like a high quality headset, but it gets the job done. And it kind of stinks that you can't use the mic because party chat is so influential, or not, it's so important on Xbox these days, having a microphone to communicate with teammates and stuff like that, or just chat to your friends. It's a big deal. And I gotta kind of knock Apple for not allowing that because it's all proprietary. It's complicated how that works. I don't know how they did that, but it has to do with the wiring and stuff like that, why you can't actually use the microphone on your Xbox. But guys, that's basically it. Just go pick up this adapter. You can use literally any 3.5 millimeter headphone headset that you want. Works great, and there should not be any audio issues, and you don't really have to configure any settings. The only settings you have to configure are on the adapter itself. Just adjust the volume, mute, and then party and game chat mixer. It's very easy to do. I highly recommend it. So So go pick it up. Links below. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As I said earlier, go check out Lefty's podcast, linked down below. We're doing awesome stuff over there. Tech news, Star Wars, Clone Wars episodes, if you guys are interested in Star Wars. And interviews. We're doing a lot of interviews and self-help, sort of like some nice long discussions to help you guys during these crazy times. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video from Life Made Easy. And subscribe, hit that bell, and become a member if you want. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Whatever.